Hello everyone, in this video I am sharing you another technique by which you can increase your mining rate on Pi network so that you can be able to get more Pi coin just by mining. What you need to do is to open your Pi app this way, and when you open the three dots by the left hand side here, you click on the three dots and then you click on the Pi browser. When you click on the Pi browser, it's going to bring up something like this. Then from there, you click on sign into Pi browser. When you click on sign into Pi browser, it will take load for a few seconds, and then this is still loading, and then it's going to load for a few seconds and then bring up the Pi browser. So I'm waiting for the Pi browser here to come up so that I can be able to show you. This is a very, very simple process which I just discovered and I've been using for some time. And so when you click on the Pi browser, it brings you to the Pi browser, and this is the Pi browser, and many things are there. The first thing on the Pi browser is the Fireside. So Fireside is shown to the left hand side and at the top. So you click on the Fireside. When you click on the Fireside, it will take just a few seconds and it's going to come up with certain things. It's going to come up with something like this on the Fireside. So at the base of it, you are going to see home, then channels, then post, then mine tokens, then profile. Click on the profile, you're going to see that this individual, in this case, fire the last 24 hours, and then all tips received is going to show here. Now, go back to mine tokens. Under mine tokens, you are going to see the number of tokens you have up here. Then what you need to do is, in that mine tokens, you are going to see option of buying tokens. Apart from buying tokens, you can buy 100 tokens for and pay 1 Pi. You can buy 1,000 token and pay 10 Pi. You can buy 10,000 token and pay 100 Pi. But I'm not asking you to buy any token except if you want to. So if you want to buy token, and that token, I will tell you what you can use it for in just 1 minute. Now, below that, you're going to see get tokens for free. So that is where we are going to go to now. So that get tokens for free, every 88 hours, you can get 5 tokens. So you press get tokens for free. That's the first one. The first one, you press it. Once you press it, it's going to show you an advert. After the advert has finished playing, it's going to give you 1 token. You play it again. After the advert has finished playing, it gives you another 1 token. You play it again. After the advert has finished playing, it will give you 1 token. You play it again. After the advert has finished playing, it will give you 1 token again, making up to 5 tokens at a particular time, and this is free. Now, you can get 5 tokens every 8 hours. Every 8 hours. Once you've gotten the 5 tokens that you need to get, it's going to show that you should try later that 5 token, because you cannot go beyond that 5 token at that particular time. So it will ask to try again later. So you hold on until after 8 hours, you go back and get another 5 tokens. So what am I going to do with the token? What you do with the token is that at the base of that same page where you are, that is this Fireside where we are, just at the base in the center, you are going to see post. You know, you have 5 tokens now which you've gotten for free by watching adverts. So you click on post, that post. So it's going to give you a page like this. So on that page, you have select channel. So if I just want to, you are in Nigeria, just go to Nigeria. Nigeria is somewhere here. I click on Nigeria. Once you click on Nigeria, it's going to ask you, it's going to allow you to post a topic. So you put the topic at the top. When you put the topic, then you enter some things. What you are writing about should be about Pi, that will interest people in the Pi community. So by the time you do that, this title, you put a title there. You are the one that will decide the title. Anything that comes to your mind, you put it there. Then you are going to put your content here. The content can be long, it can be short. So you just put some information that will interest people, that will make them to click. And then when you are done with that, then you click on post. You know that you have 5 tokens you've gotten for free by watching advert. So each post will be boosted by 1 token. And when you do that, you are going to get 1 Fireside for every post that is successful using 1 token. So you post 1, you get 1 token. Some people will see it and they will like it. They have tokens. They will be giving you out of their token. This is building you up, and that is going to affect your mining rate. It's building you up. It's showing that you are interacting properly with the Pi network at this point, and it's going to boost your mining rate. Now, let me tell you something about photography. In that same place where we have clicked on, when we click on the middle place, the center, the plus in the center here, you click on it and come to photography. So I've clicked on photography now, and I said, okay, you should go on and make photography. So I'll write, the title is there, I'll write a title, make it to be something about PiCoin. Maybe this is Pi Network. Make it to be something that will stimulate people about the Pi Network. Maybe some information, maybe how to do something. Write it as a topic, and then write it in the body. Something that you think that people will like, or anything that you want to write. You write it and then write it in the body too. You can write one sentence, you can write two sentences, you can write paragraphs. That is your how far you can go. Then at the end, because this is the aspect of photography, you click on add image. So the image you can add, you can take picture of yourself and add it. You can take picture of the environment and add it. You can take a picture that's already in on your phone and add it at that point. And once you add it, you come back and ask you to post. It will ask you how many tokens. You also insist on one token. It will be added. That's how you keep posting with the tokens you've gotten. So these tokens now, people will see it and people will react to the token. And when they react with the token, they may comment or they can even give you something. That means you are actively involved in the Pi at that point at the Fireside. And that is going to increase your mining rate. I hope this is very, very clear. If you have any question on this, on how to increase your mining rate using this method, let me know in the comment section below, and I will come back and I'm going to clarify. Now, before I go, let me show you. This is another phone that I'm using to mine. It's my friend's phone. I'm using my own phone to record. Now you click on this green because that's the mine where you're mining. You click on it. It's going to show you different things. It's going to tell you the total mining rate. The mining rate per hour is going to be shown. The base rate is going to show. The boosters are going to show. The rewards are going to show. Base rate indicated. Boosters indicated. Then Pioneer indicated. Security Circle indicated. Those are the people that you referred. It's been indicated. If they are doing what they're supposed to do, it will boost it again. Then the lockup reward is indicated. I've told you that I lock up mine for 3 years and I made it to be 100% lockup. So that's giving me a lot of percentage in terms of mining rate. I've done a video about that already. So in this video today now, we are looking at another aspect which is going to increase your mining rate. So please do this, and every 8 hours, do the same thing again, and then don't just keep the token. Use the token to make content on. So you go to the Fireside and then you make postings, and this is going to boost your own capability to earn more on the Pi network. I hope this is very, very clear. I will bring you another one in the next video on how you can increase your mining rate. Let me make it one after the other so that it will not be cumbersome. So let's go on and do this one, and our mining rate is going to increase. It doesn't cost you money, doesn't cost you anything. It's free. Every 5 hours you get 5 tokens and use them to post on the Fireside. And this post, other people will engage with the post. Some will even tip you based on the post you have made. Some will give you token based on the post you have made. Some will give you Fireside based on that post you have made. But you cannot make a post without a token on the Fireside. I'm going to see you in the next one. My name is Olubengadetito. I'm the one bringing you content on this channel, and I make a boast to say that if you watch the channel consistently for 5 to 6 months, you're watching my content daily for 5 to 6 months, your life is going to change. Your life is going to move forward in the right direction. So subscribe to this channel, share the link of this video, like this video, and watch on this channel for more. This video popping up by the side right from this channel is the next you need to go ahead and watch now. Go ahead and watch this video